friends, Violet here, and I wanted to share with you one of my favorite biohacking devices that I use at night and in the morning. And it is these far and near infrared candles, and I position them on this frame, and there's 3 of them, so I lay my body perfectly on here, and I do about 15 to 20 minutes my front and my back. I put these goggles on, and what I love about these is they do far and near infrared. They're great quality. They've lasted me 2 years so far, and I love the price. I love how you can design them to, you can put them laying down, you can put them along your wall, so you have very freedom of range of how you want to do them on a budget. And it is one of my favorite biohacking tools for anti-aging, muscle recovery, pigmentation, hair growth, and this is how I've done mine. Maybe that gives you some ideas, but out of all of the ones on the market, I really just love these for their versatility. I love them because of their far and near infrared capabilities, and they work really, really well. I've positioned them to be about 6 inches from my face and my body, so those are all really important things to note. And so it makes great for gifts for other people, great for yourself, and I couldn't live without this. So this is how I do it, okay? This is my nighttime routine. I would be probably without any more skin exposure. Buy, try, like, you're gonna be so happy with these.